Alright guys, we're out here with the Hubsan X4 Desire. I think I'm going to call this my mothball series. Dragging some quads out of the mothballs. I've only flown one time, which is what I've done with this. Only flew this thing one time when I got it. That was like a year ago. Okay, so we're going to take it up. I already set the compass and all that mumbo jumbo, so I don't have to bore you with that. But anyway, it's real simple. It'll say on the transmitter here, it'll say set compass 1. So then you spin it around counterclockwise a few times until it flashes, and it'll say set compass 2, and then you tip it up like this and turn it around like that. Very simple stuff. So let's start some video. Okay, and let's get going. I don't have any satellites yet, so who needs, I don't need no stinking satellites. Let me get it into the higher rate. You put it into the higher rate by pressing down on the right stick. Maybe some satellites will come in here. Nope. Look at it flying away. Let me get a little panorama of the park here. Maybe I'll slow it down for that. See, since I don't have any satellites, you see it's wanting to drift all over the place. Okay, it's 146 feet up, so let's just get a little drive by of the park. Well, the yaw rate's pretty fast. I mean, it's a good flyer, but it's not really picking up any satellites. So I don't know what the deal is with that, because I never had any problem with it before doing it. Uh-oh, there it goes in the tree, and it's stuck up there. That's great. I'm getting it. It's getting there. Let it calm down a little bit. Oh, it's getting closer. Guys, it's getting closer. Nope, I think that piece that it's on right now, it would have let go, but I can't keep the prop spinning long enough to... Okay, it's almost ready. Oh, it's right there on the verge. And now I got stuck in another branch on the way down. Let me go over this way. I don't see anything I could throw up there, actually. Oh, there's a baseball. Because we are at a baseball field. Okay, that was a foul ball that they never found. Kind of like this drone. I don't even see it now. I think it's in this tree right here. Oh, there it is, right there. Okay, you ready for some Cy Young action here? It won't arm the motors anymore for some reason. Okay, I got one shot at this because I'm not climbing through there to get the baseball. So I got one throw. And I missed it. Oh well, I didn't throw it high enough. Let me see if I can find a branch. Oh, I hit it, but it's wedged in there pretty good, so I don't think it's ever coming down. And to be honest with you, I don't really care. Oh, I cracked it real. Oh, it's really wedged in there. Really bad. I see it. So I hit that thing with a direct hit and it didn't even budge, so it ain't coming out. I could go over there and shake that tree, but it won't do any good. I hit it again, so fuck it. I don't care. See you later, Hubsan. Adios amigo to the Hubsan. All right, boys. There it is. Wow, what a workout. Oh, God. Whew. Man, was that a pain. That's the stick I used right there. That real big long one. I just kept, you know, pole vaulting it up there. So I was gonna shoot another video, but I'm freaking wore out now. I had to throw that freaking log up there like 35 times because I kept hitting it. It was easy to hit, but it just would fall down one little level every time I did it. So I'd hit it and it'd come down. I'd hit it and it'd come down to the next one down, and phew. Okay, 60-year-old men should not be doing this crap. Okay. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. By the way, it's arming back up, but I'm not flying it, okay? I just wanted to arm up the motors to see if it was gonna be okay, so it seems fine. Still not showing any damn satellites, so I don't know what the hell the deal is with that. Satellites? No satellites for you. All right, guys. Later.